Welcome to All Motors brand, your go-to destination for everything automotive. Here, we bring you the latest news, reviews, and deep dives into the most exciting cars from around the world. From high-performance supercars to everyday vehicles with a twist, we cover it all with detailed insights, expert opinions, and real-world perspectives. Whether you're a car enthusiast, a potential buyer, or just someone who enjoys the thrill of the road, this is the place for you. In today's video, we take a close look at one of the most anticipated releases in the performance car world, the 2026 Ford GT40 Mk IV. With its roots tracing back to the legendary 1960s Le Mans winning machine, the new Mk IV is more than just a throwback, it's a statement of modern engineering meeting iconic heritage. Ford has once again captured the essence of a race-bred machine and transformed it into a road-going masterpiece with limited production and cutting-edge technology. The 2026 GT40 Mk IV is built with a carbon fiber monocoque chassis that enhances both rigidity and weight savings. The exterior design remains aggressive yet aerodynamically efficient. Every curve, intake, and vent serves a purpose. With a long, sleek front end, a teardrop cabin, and a rear diffuser that looks straight out of a racetrack prototype, the Mk IV screams performance even when standing still. Ford has clearly prioritized function with an appearance that still turns heads in every direction. Under the hood, the new Mk IV houses a twin-turbocharged V6 EcoBoost engine that has been fine-tuned to produce over 800 horsepower. This powertrain is paired with a race-derived automatic gearbox that delivers rapid shifts, allowing the car to launch from 0 to 60 in just under 3 seconds. Ford has taken full advantage of its motorsport heritage to refine the drivetrain for maximum output and reliability. The sound of the engine, raw and guttural, is something purists will admire, and the driving experience promises to be both visceral and refined. Inside the cabin, the GT40 Mk IV offers a minimalistic yet driver-focused layout. Instead of luxurious overtones, the interior reflects a race car's discipline. Alcantara and carbon fiber dominate the surfaces, and the seating is snug and sculpted to keep the driver in place during aggressive cornering. The digital instrument cluster offers real-time telemetry and performance data, while the infotainment system is simplified to avoid distraction. This car is built for the thrill of driving, not for comfort cruising. Suspension and handling dynamics are another area where the GT40 Mk IV excels. Thanks to adjustable dampers, active aero elements, and a low center of gravity, it delivers exceptional grip and stability at high speeds. Whether it's carving through mountain roads or attacking the track, the Mk IV remains poised and precise. The steering feedback is direct, providing the driver with full confidence and control at any pace. Braking is handled.